So it is time to make your mobile. Here we can see what your finished mobile is going to look like. It's on that hanger that I've provided for you. Now, the amazing part about the mobile is it's not actually attached to your hanger. So I'm going to walk you through how it is that we're going to create that. You have spent a lot of time working hard to put so much information onto your pretty paper that you got to choose. And now it's time to attach that to your hanger. Now you probably were able to take and put it between two cars as it stretches it out, or maybe you asked all of the strong people in your neighborhood to each grab a side and stretch it. You've done something to make your hanger elongated, and I applaud you for the super strength that you had to do so. Now it's time to attach so much information to your mobile. Now remember that we have two pieces of paper for every one that we wrote on. So I've got my one here with so much information. I've got my mobile, and I'm going to have this be my impact statement. So it's going to go down on the bottom part of that mobile. Here's my finished example. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my so much information. I'm going to take my glue. I'm going to attach glue here all over the back of so much information. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hanger, place it towards the middle. I'm going to take that second sheet of paper that we have. This is the one that we're actually going to attach with. Because if I press down here, it's not sticking, is it? So I've got my so much information, my second sheet of paper I'm going to take, and that's what I've actually glued. So now, when I take it up, here it is. So much information on my mobile. It will hang. We're going to let it sit for a moment and cure. And then I can move it around, and it's pretty secure on here. It's not going to move. So this is the process that you're going to use to attach your paper to your hanger.